Hi developers. So in this video we will study about constructor. So constructor is a special method that is used to initialize object. So if I explain in simple term, so constructor like एक इस तरह से एक स्पेशल मेथड होता है जो जब भी हम क्लास का ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करते हैं तो वो सबसे पहले कॉल होता है और लाइक इफ़ हम वी डिड नॉट डिफाइन दैट तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली खुद क्रिएट कर देता है इसको प्रोग्राम. So let me explain in this example. So let's suppose we have a class public class test 1. So if we will define no constructor here, so it will define automatically this. So this will be our default constructor. So whenever we will call this class, it will call this directly. See, our prepoint is here. So let me print something here. See, default constructor print. So this is a how constructor work. So now we have different types of constructor in C sharp, and that is default constructor, parameterized constructor, copy constructor, private constructor, and static constructor. So I will give brief introduction to each one. So this we have already see how default constructor will work. So if we will talk about parameterized constructor, so in that we can pass any number of parameter. So like this. So now when we will call this, we need to pass some value here. Okay, so now if you can see, we are passing some value here, so it will call this constructor and not this one. Let me show you. See, it's coming directly here. It will no go here because we have calling this class by passing some parameter. Okay, and we can have any number of this parameterized constructor, like one for this, then we have any other also. Okay, so if I need to call this method, so I will just change the number of parameters. So now it will call this constructor. See, similar way we have some more different types of constructor, and one of them is copy constructor. So in copy constructor what we do, we pass same kind of class object. So like here we gonna pass same kind of object. So we will create one more object and we will pass this object as a parameter to the newly created class. So now when it will execute this line, it will come to this block. So this is our copy constructor class. So and one more we have, that is private. So let's suppose now we have some requirements. We don't want to allow a class to be initialized in some specific way. So we don't want to create our class like this in this way na. So we will just change that public thing to private, so that we will be our private constructor. So you can see now we are getting compilation error and we can't create class object like this. So this way we can use private constructor. And one last we have static constructor. So static constructor is basically used for calling any static property. So we have seen all 5 types of constructor. Default constructor, I did not change the name, parameterized constructor, copy constructor, static constructor and private constructor. Okay, so this is just basic things about those constructor. You can skip the video and note it down for your references. This is for parameterized constructor, copy constructor, private constructor and static constructor. And these are the basic benefits of constructor, and these are the point to be remember while dealing with constructor thing. So I think your doubts are clear. So if any doubt, please comment me and I will answer that. Okay, yeah, thank you.